Ah, my ear. It's so irritated. I want y'all to take a look at y'all ears. Is it nasty? Mine, it could be better. Like, I could, let me show y'all. That's not going to disconnect? Okay, that's not going to disconnect. Okay, but. Alright. Is that good? I have no idea if you can, like, even see, like, my ear, but, like. Okay. If y'all can see, if you. Okay. Y'all, hold up. My dad is in the other room, so, like, I gotta actually, like, talk low before it's over for me. My earbuds, okay, okay. Bet. Did my ear, yo, it actually hurt so much. Did it seem like funky or whatever? Tell me in the comments below. Tell me from a scale of 1 to 10, how bad do my ears look? What's good, y'all? We're back with another random Shizz video of the day, and it's going to be how to clean your ear. So this is gonna be an story time, educational, inspirational. I guess this can be. Okay, damn. Let me just. This is going to be an educational and story time random shits because what happened to me 3 days ago, terrible pain. I'm talking, you're just gonna see. All you gotta know is that what was in my ear was black, crusty, ooey gooey, and nasty. Alright, so let me tell y'all something. So, we deal with acne in our lives. We have bumps, whether it be mosquito bumps, whether it be us as being nasty, or whether it just being us being teens acne. Right? Bumps pop up anywhere, everywhere, right? Like, you see that? On my chin, one bump on my lip, some little bumps over here, some bumps over here, some bumps even over here. And I'm not bald. You see, like, I'm not that bald. My hair is flattened, so if I comb it out, I would not be bald, okay? So, like, I'm not a baldy. But anyways, if y'all know what a blackhead is, so think of this like a huge, like, big, like, ooey gooey piece that's like solidified, right? That's why it's black and it's ingrained in your skin. Yeah, I had blackheads in my ear, and I did everything to take them out. I'll tell you the story. Anyways, it was a couple days ago, and I was in school doing my own thing, and then one of my pals said, "Yo, SK, your ear is hella nasty." I'm like, me? Yo, I be washing 2 times a day. I be scrubbing my body with the African neck scrub. Like, I'm clean. My ear is nasty. Out of everyone, they're like, yes, yes, it is. It's dirty as hell. And the crazy thing is, the crazy, crazy, crazy thing is, they've been telling me this for multiple months. Multiple months for the ear study, and I have never ever noticed that. So it's only been recently that I checked and my hair is hella nasty. No ear swab can clean it, no nothing. Not even, I'll show you all the methods. I tried so many things, okay? Let me tell you one very good thing when it comes to releasing just regular earwax on your ear, not like ones that are stuck in, right? Hydrogen, ooh, hydrogen peroxide. What would that be on the periodic table? On the periodic table, I'll be like H because that's dioxide. There has to be oxygen in this. Oxygen, hydrogen, potassium, phosphorus. I don't know. But yeah, you put that in your ear, bro. Like, you gotta like do this. Then you put it. Then you let it like ASMR sit. You feel those bubbles and fizzes. Nice ASMR. But it feels so nice. And at the end of it all, your ears gonna be squeaky clean. That is absolutely nothing for my ear. So guess what I had to do? My sister essentially did ear surgery on me. Ear surgery on me. She was kitted out because my sister, like, she also has acne, so she has to take good care of her skin and everything. Really gotta make sure that she really baptizes the skin or whatever. I'm just yapping, but she had basically like a scalpel. Like the kits where like you have to like you pump pimples. Like it has like two different sides. One is for like the stabbing. The other is just like this like round shaped thing that can like help like take up the skin. But anyways, she had to do surgery on my skin and everything hurt. Everything hurt. She did surgery on my ear everywhere. I'm talking. She did surgery on my chin, over here, on my forehead, this ear, and there's still some abscess. Turn off, Siri. I don't need you, Siri. Can you turn off, Siri? Can Here's what I found. I don't need that. I really do not need that. Pause. Pause. Anyways, like she had to like hold it down and just like and like there's like 20 of these things in my ear right here, 20 or so over here, and there's still more. Some are very recognizable, and like you can tell the age of like those little nasty things. Like if they're dark, they've been in my ear for a long time, and if they're like brownish or reddish, if they're brownish, then they've been there for a little bit, and like if they're like yellow, that's just regular wax that like comes off very easily. If they're red, they're like middle aged, right? So you can really identify. Typically, the brown ones are the hardest to remove because like they're just so old and so strong. And my ear is still irritated. It hurts. It hurts so much because I had to put alcohol after it. My sister also afraid too. She liked that. She's like, "Oh, I like that. Okay, let's do more of this." It's oh my god, my ear. Anyways, I'm just yapping. I need to take off my ear pods right now because it actually hurts so much. But before I end, let me just tell you all the lesson of the story. The lesson is make sure your ear is clean. Make sure you clean it once every 3 days or so. Um, Make sure it ain't too irritated. Make sure you do not put lotion on your damn ear. Because if you lotion up the ear, that makes it easier for like those things to just like all of the wax and all of the grease and oils to like just come over and like dig into your ear. Because your ear is naturally oily. I hope y'all know this. Your ears are naturally oily because of the wax. We produce ear wax, so like just regularly. So make sure you don't do that, okay? Just like how our nails grow and our hair grow, the earwax comes, and we gotta just make sure we take care of it once every while or so before it gets too crazy or like we just gotta make sure that they're clean, right? Well, that's the lesson of the video, okay? That is the lesson. This is like a nice ASMR video, so just make sure to increase the volume. I'll put that in the description or whatever. ASMR session. If you like the video, make sure you like it. Don't mind me. I gotta wait for a good 50 more seconds or so. But before you hop out of the video, I just want to tell y'all this: if you have blackheads in your ear, take it out, cause before it gets dirtier and before you get roasted, it don't matter how much it hurts when that person removes those blackheads from your ear. It don't matter how like no, don't stab my ear, cause my sister had to stab out them blackheads and then squeeze them out. No matter what, you endure that pain because it only lasts for a short little bit, and after you'll feel much more cleaner. So stay strong, be humble, be yourself, be clean, and you'll be chilling. Being chilling for real. Goodbye.